Let's look at the Levers Skillset Prism. In our learning framework, we have three pieces: the experience level, the task use level, and the quality level. Each supports three claims. Our first claim is to have evidence that we've learned how to learn. The second is the ability to plan and manage my work. And finally, I want to be able to show that I've made high-quality products working on a team. Here's how this works using a sample project called Parenting 101, which was a community health project where students showed young parents how to avoid shaken baby syndrome. The skill sets in that product, in our Prism, show out to their components: the career, the academic, and the digital, just like a prism shows the spectrum. So for career, students were able to show that they had mastered career-ready practices as well as the pathway skill sets in their career path. In the academics, because they used speaking and listening and research, they were able to show English language arts. And because they had to look at statistics around health and safety, they had to use their math skills. And because this was a digital project, they showed their empowered learner and their knowledge constructor competencies. So our framework has 6 steps. We define the product we're going to make. We come up with a project plan that shows all of the steps and activities that we're going to do. We submit an initial project, which then is adjusted and improved on the basis of feedback. Finally, when ready, we submit the final product, and then we validate the learning. At each of these stages, we're able to gather evidence. So in the defined product and project plan, we're showing evidence that we've learned how to learn. We've identified what we don't know and set about learning it. Claim 2, that we can plan and manage the work as we are going through our project plan. That's where we're gaining that evidence. And the final product shows the quality that we've done working on a team. So when we validate the learning, we're looking at gains in experience level, we're looking at increased task complexity in use of each competency, and we're looking at the quality. And so our first claim is supported by evidence in all of the gains that we made as we moved up that ladder of experience, in the increasing complexity in the use of the competencies we've had in each task, and ultimately in the quality of the final product we produce. That's how our learning spectrum works using the Skillset Prism.